In the heart of a lively park, Anna sits alone on a bench, lost in her sketches and seemingly untouched by the vibrant life around her. The park buzzes with activity, but Anna remains in her private world, a solitary figure amidst the crowd. A weary Ben shuffles into view, his posture mirroring the weight of his dejection as he settles onto the bench. Ben sighs deeply, the sound heavy with unspoken sorrows, as he sits at the opposite end of the bench, a mirror to Anna's solitude. In a shared silence, Anna and Ben occupy the same space, each absorbed in their own world, initially oblivious to the other's presence. In the bustling coffee shop, Anna sits hunched over her laptop, brow furrowed in frustration. Ben shuffles in, scanning the floor for coins, then hesitates, noticing Anna's struggle. "Excuse me, I couldn't help but notice you were having some trouble with your laptop. Maybe I could take a look?" Skeptical but desperate, Anna retorts, "I appreciate the offer, but I doubt you can help. I've tried everything." With a few keystrokes, Ben swiftly resolves the issue, leaving Anna in stunned disbelief. "Wow, I don't know what to say. Thank you so much. How did you do that?" Bathed in the sunset's glow, Anna and Ben sit on the park bench, their laughter dancing with the gentle breeze. Anna shares her sketchbook, and Ben leans in, offering thoughtful critique as their bond deepens. Comfortable silence fills the air as they open up, sharing vulnerabilities under the fading light. They find solace in shared experiences of loneliness, a rare connection forged in the twilight.